Today on CCN, it's all about cells.
So Robert Hooke was the one who discovered cells, and he named them after the small cells that the monks lived in. And then Matthias Schwann discovered that all plants are made of cells, and Theodor Schwann discovered that all animals were made of cells. And the cell theory, and then using all this, the cell theory is that that all living things are made of cells. Cells is the smallest unit of life, and cells must come from other cells of the same.
There are 3 types of cells. I have animal cells, this has plant cells, and this has no cells.
Go.
A cell is the smallest unit and basic unit of life.
So today the weather is going to be, the highs is going to be in the lower 60s, and the low is going to be in the upper 30s. And it's going to be raining lysosomes today, so make sure to stay indoors. It's going to be sunny on Tuesday. Partly it's going to be light showers on Wednesday, cloudy on Thursday, partly sunny on Friday with some fog in the morning, and then sunny on the weekend. Go. The lysosomes are eating me! They're recycling them! Where's my buddy? No! Wow, that's why you shouldn't go outside today, because they'll recycle you. So, if this is what base plant cell looks like without all the stuff inside, and if this plant cell was blown up to be like this room, so the cell wall would be like the bricks outside of the house. The cell membrane would be like the siding wall right here, like there. And then the empty space, which is called the empty space inside the plant cell, which is the cytoplasm, would be like the air. The cell wall keeps the plant safe from invasions and keeps its shape. Cell membrane just is inside the cell wall, and then the cytoplasm helps let stuff move around in the cell. So, in a cell, any cell, plant or animal, there's a nucleus. Animal cells have a bigger nucleus than plant cells, but up here, this is a close-up. The nucleus is made out of the tiny dot in the middle, the nucleosis, chromatin, which is stuff that holds DNA and RNA, which is holds information about genetics, and then nuclear envelope / nuclear membrane circles around, encloses the nucleus and lets certain other organelles go in and out of the nucleus, and then the nucleosis creates ribosomes and other proteins, and then all of this makes up the nucleus, which is kind of like a computer. Now on Sports Center. So, wow, that what helps you do everything during that game?
My mitochondria, it stores all my energy from food.
That's cool. What does it look like?
A hot dog.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Don't eat it though.
Okay.
The cytoskeleton looks like mini wiggly worms, and if it was in a house, it would help give shape and support it, like this beam.
Chloroplast, which looks like a pea in a pod, And so they are only in plant cells, and they are what makes plants green. And also they use the sunlight's energy to make energy. For example, we go outside. Kind of cloudy out. But the grass is green because of the chloroplast inside the cells. So it takes the sun's energy, which is somewhere there. It's cloudy right now. Goes into the grass, and then it makes sugar out of it, which is called the glucose, and then it uses that energy stored in the mitochondria to live. Golgi apparatus looks like a stack of pancakes, and it's like a mailbox. It takes proteins, packages them in a membrane, then it sends them to something, puts it in, and sends it.
Endoplasmic reticulum. Is called ER for short. There's smooth and rough ER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum makes pathways throughout the cell, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum creates lipids and takes away bad things from the cell. Vacuoles are like refrigerators. They store food, water, and waste.